So I'm gonna take the Ather Rizta now for its first service, and I thought I'll take you guys with me as well, as I want to share with you the experience and the service cost. But before that, I want to tell you a story. Okay, so the story that I want to share with you before taking the scooter for service is actually booking the service. So now it's 7,700 and something kilometers, and the first service is supposed to be at 5,000 kilometers. And I've been trying to book a service from the app for almost 3 to 4 months now. And I had no luck with that, as it always used to show that the slots are full. So I didn't know what to do. Later down the line, I found someone who uses an Ather, so I asked them, how do you book your service? They gave me a number, and that number did not work. Again, a few days, a few weeks passed, I got another number from another person who uses an Ather. And that number finally worked, and I was able to book an appointment. So if someone from Ather is actually looking at this video, try to get it solved here in Goa as well. I've heard that the app for booking the service works in some cities and states. If it can work there, it can definitely work here. Please try to resolve this. Also, in terms of my complaints right now with the scooter, there are none, or there are very little. First is this visor, which is kind of loose and makes weird noises. So I'll tell them to tighten it up. If it works out, great. And I feel that the scooter is the handle is a bit aligned to the left, because the scooter had fallen from the stand, and I think the handle is a bit to the left. So I'll tell them to check that as well. Other than that, I am enjoying the scooter, and so far so good. So see you guys at the Ather Service Center.
A few moments later.
ते 247 या गाड़ी असा न्हू ते साइड लाइट लागना मन आडून सोडले ते अभी वो आएगा एडवाइजर उसको बताना। हाँ एडवाइजर आ रहा है उसको बताना। गाड़ी बताओ।
मैं पूरा लिखूं?
नहीं मैं लिखूँ वो मेरा काम है।
अच्छा अच्छा।
हर मौसम हर season thala for a reason.
Okay, so at the Ather Service Center, the service center is open. Well, today is Holi, that's why I was confused if the service center is open or not. And nice, they have included one more fast charger here. I've got the service vehicle ka thingy. And yeah, let's speak to the agent, service advisor, sorry.
I've given the scooter for service, and the job card is this. And yeah, waiting for my friend to pick me up. I'm at the Porvorim Ather Center. Pick the scooter from here, so thought I'll come here.
3 hours later.
So the service is done. I was a bit late to pick it up, but they kind of helped me with the payment and everything, so yeah. And the cost was 1,010 rupees, and I'll tell you what all has been done, and I'll share with you the experience also of riding it now after the service is done. So let's see. Okay, so this is the breakdown for the 1,010 rupees. The periodic service at 5,000 kilometers, it's priced at 715 rupees. So with tax, it's 843. So if you're gonna service your bike at 5,000 kilometers, that is going to be the price, that is 843. And in here they have applied silicone spray. I think that is to be done at a particular amount of kilometers, so they have done that costed me 140. With tax it is 166, hence the total 1,010 rupees. Otherwise it would have been 843 rupees. So back on the Ather, and it was just like 200-300 meters, but I can tell that the belt has been somehow smoothened out in a way, and the steering has been also straightened, which was one of the complaints which I had given since the bike had fallen. Okay, so after about 25 kilometers, here we are, and I think they have done most of the things I've told them to. Suspension, I think it is on the stiffer side, so it's a Ather Rizta thing, I guess. The belt has been properly tensioned. The motor now feels more smoother. It almost feels like how it used to feel when it was new. Booking the service was an issue because of the app, and then calling them and all that stuff. But yeah, that's a topic which I hope is sorted. But going there, giving the scooter in, telling them my problem, payment,
And even I was late picking up the scooter by a little bit. So they arranged the necessary things for me to do the payment online through WhatsApp, and even arranged the fees to be get with the watchman and all those things. Pretty good service, so quite happy. And yeah, compared to a normal internal combustion scooter, 7,698 to 7,700 kilometers. So this would almost be the second service of a normal scooter. A normal engine oil change at about 1,000 kilometers, and then at 5,000 kilometers another engine oil change and other miscellaneous parts. So engine oil change itself is 3,000, around 3,000 for a scooter. If you include that cost, it's 3 plus 3 6, and other labor charges and other costs. 7 8K for a scooter, like a petrol scooter, and 1,000 for the same amount of kilometers. That's a difference there. Plus you're saving daily riding these people. So overall, yes, right now at least you are saving on these. And yeah, I think you can correct me if I'm wrong regarding the internal combustion scooters. Found this video helpful, useful, whatever. Do hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And drop down your questions if you have any regarding the Ather Rizta. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and peace out.